This be the throwaway, just like my pistol. A nigga try gang, then we give him that issue. No time for no nagging, get money that's simple. The 30 start shooting, they running like temple. I fuck on your bitch and I'm leaving the cripple. I smack on the ass cause I like how it jiggle. I'm digging her out, she can't let, she can't get it. Put the dick in her mouth, she say, act like I'm single. See you, wouldn't wanna be you. And after I'm done with your chick, she probably just gonna leave you. That's evil, but X around, I'm the reason. Your girl like how I drip my sauce. She say your style just sees me. Yeah. I'm from Shotsbury, #1 murder cap. If you don't keep her hammer, then your rap is cap. Before she sucked the D, she put away the chap. She say don't expose me, don't post this on no app. Fuck it, I just put her on the snap. Damn, Simone, she gon' be trying to check. But Lenny P gon' put her on the map. Bitch, with me ain't no getting it back. What I look like, get back on your kneecap. Fucking me, that's what I need. That good head, just please me. I be doing what I gotta do, so you cannot test me. I'm trying to fucking run up, your ass gon' be bless me. Bless me. Oh Lordy, somebody help him. He's a goatee. Beard. These niggas weird. I'm getting money, that's every motherfucking year. This be the throwaway, just like my pistol. A nigga try gang, then we give him that issue. No time for no nagging, get money that's simple. The 30 start shooting, they running like temple. I fuck on your bitch and I'm leaving the cripple. I smack on the ass cause I like how it jiggle. I'm digging her out, she can't let, she can't giggle. Put the dick in her mouth, she say, act like I'm single.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the recap with Let Cash Accumulate over days. Today is August the 15th. It is Wednesday night here. And we're going to talk about what happened today in that market. Wow, what a day. Indices closed bearish. We're going to talk about that. This is recap coverage from the stock and crypto market. These are live ideas of thought and studies. This is not financial advice on this stream or with this company. So with that being said, indices closed bearish. Ooh, it looks like these bears, this is it. This is really the bears here, you guys. Like, we've been getting a little tease with the bears all throughout the year, of course, even though the market has been going up. But nah, this is really it. This is the bear club here right now. They got what they wanted today. They did. As far as the numbers and the chart, and we're about to get into it here momentarily. We're going to look at the data first, first and foremost, as we always do here with LCAOD. And you just need to know right now, just getting in and trying to get involved, understand what's happening here. The market is going down, and it's looking like it's about to be, everybody's hollering recession, fear is just coming all over the place, and it's going crazy right now. But we're overall in the bull market, meaning the market has been going up still. No, the numbers say that. And, just know that. And, people are making money off of it going down as well. So people can make money in the stock market off the market going up and down or not doing anything, And it's different, patterns and plans and things of that nature that you can pick for that type stuff. But, get involved, get signed up, do this stuff on your own time if you got the chance. Download the brokerage app, start with, the basics, something like Robinhood, Webull. I still use Robinhood and Webull, great apps. You can also use TD Arbitrator. It's a lot of brokerage apps. You can just Google how many brokerage apps there is and then sign up for one. But that's how it works. You obviously, if you're getting involved, you want to see this, make sure, nobody's trying to scam you or anything because you can see it on your own phone and what's happening is on your phone is happening across the globe everywhere. So that's how it works. It's basically like back in the day, for an example here, we're going to move on, but just giving you a little small example. It's kind of like, the World Trade Center, like how it was back in the day, that's what this is basically, but they just put the power and the technology into our hands and, and we have, the chance to do something right from your phone, basically you don't have to go to New York, and, you know, and do that stuff like how back in the day it probably was. You know what I'm saying? So that's what has changed. So you might want to, you know, look into movies about Wall Street and the stock market, et cetera, to get you caught up to really what's going on to date, and really just know what's happening right now, current time. LCLD is here for that. You know, we have all the data information. All my clients know that. So if you're looking to get signed up, just really hit me up, man. You know, tap in. You know, free game. Obviously, honestly, you know, why be selfish? Why would I be selfish? Why would this company be selfish when this can happen for everybody? So tap in free game to make money in the stock market. Need help setting up your portfolio or willing to work with an experienced company? Contact me. You know, direct message me. Or don't. More money for the ones that's investing. That's just how this gonna go from here on out. So contact me, direct message me, hit me up. You know, don't go through somebody else and speak just have them speaking for you, or you know, don't contact somebody else through your own phone. Contact me directly, whoever you are individually. If you're willing to get signed up and, you know, become a client with LCLD, or just, you know, follow along with LCLD. You don't have to become a client, you know, just from a distance. Just learn and earn, whatever. However, whatever suits your comfort zone in doing this, just get involved. But contact me directly though. That's what it is. So let's go ahead and get into the data though, man. The data. So stocks close in negative territory, you guys. It's really looking like ugly now, like scary, like levels that we called out LCOD, we called out a couple days ago in the recap. Hit the like and subscribe button, man. We just caught this market 100% right now. It's getting ridiculous. I'm seeing the ones that starting to follow in too. Shout out to y'all. What's up? What's up? Welcome. You know, but ain't nothing wrong over here. This all godly bound. So know that when you step into this. So but stocks closing negative territory. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 361.24 points, or 1.02%. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite fell 1.16% and 1.14%, respectively. So that's what's going on. That's what happened. The market is down right now, you guys. It really is. But it's looking like a bottom too as well. It can go either way. You know how it go. We got data tomorrow. This data is the key. This is what we've been waiting for all week. This is probably going to be your biggest data this week. Fed minutes at 2 p.m. tomorrow. It's going to get volatile as soon as 2 p.m. hit. You're going to see the market just change really fast. And then it's going to break out to a direction. Be very cautious in there around that time. I don't know. I don't think there's no one saying Jerome Powell, or any Fed speaker is doing this back follow up of what the Fed minutes are going to say. So haven't heard that, but just be on the lookout for that if that does happen. And, you know, Fed minutes, though, is going to be key, you guys. Fed minutes, that's the data 2 p.m. tomorrow. That's what the market has been waiting for. That's what smart money has been waiting for. So be on the lookout for it to get very volatile, because it is. And, you know, we got earnings tomorrow, you guys. Target. Woo, it's about to get serious now. The Home Depot reported, and C Limited reported as well. Home Depot didn't even really do nothing, but it looks like they are going up. Can't really tell yet though. But C Limited went down bad. Whew. Congratulations. I had like 2 clients. They picked up on it, and shout out to them. They both hit tremendously big on 49 puts, and congratulations to them. That's need I say more. I'm not gonna put their business out like that, but a lot of money, a lot of equity there on C Limited earnings to the downside. But just not looking good overall. Bad earnings for C Limited. It looks like nobody's going to that stuff right now this summer, and then that's just what it is. So, Target in the morning, you guys. We're going to see if people have been buying at Target, you know, or will Target stall, or where they go up. Have people, they probably have been buying. We're going to find out in the morning and tomorrow. But Walmart is Thursday before the opening, and that's going to be big too. So Walmart got earnings. You know, their earnings could be bigger than Target. So just keep a very close competition here on Target and Walmart right now, because that's what's going on Wall Street, and everybody's eyeing it. So yes, sir, it's about to get volatile. Number 2 though, U.S. retail sales. You saw how that data was today. The market spit it out, threw it up. They didn't like that data. at all. You know, some people say, "Oh, the data was good, it did," but no. In reality, look at what the market did. Numbers no don't lie. The chart and the numbers say that data was horrible. So whatever you can say, whatever, you know, but stay out of your feelings because when you're doing this, you don't want to get emotional. So you just be okay with what just happened and just understand, you know, hey, you didn't catch it. There's more to come. Believe that. So be patient, stay humble. But their retail sales data was ugly today, you guys, and it got the market at its lowest point. We haven't really been here since April, I think May, around May. So going into July, going into June around this time. So we haven't really, the market hasn't seen this area. Well, the SPY hasn't seen that area in a while. And you know, like I said, it's really looking like about a dip again. But at the same time, this could be very serious this time, though, you guys. The market is getting downgrades. It was some more downgrades that came in today with the banks. The banks got downgraded today. So that was a lot to do with the selling as well. So it's just meaning, you know, the market is basically too high. People are really looking for another pullback, like possibly. So be on the lookout for it, you know, and if so, just be prepared for it. And if not, you know, just catch it, catch it. Don't be fooled, you know, because it might not be. This might be your pullback. So be on the lookout for that going further here, especially with the data tomorrow. But that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and get into the charts and numbers though. But just know, yeah, data tomorrow, Fed FOMC minutes is key. Buildings permits, housing starts, all that's key too as well. Then jobless claims on Thursday. Um, that's Thursday's going to be key as well, though, too. Philly Fed PMI index data Thursday is key as well. So all this data is going to be, you know, just making the market more volatile with gains, basically. So be prepared for it. You know, things may get very, very faster than what they have been, and you know they may not. So this is what you be on the lookout for. But one stock to buy, one stock to sell this week. We're about to find out. They saying buy Walmart. They saying sell Target. Target got earnings in the morning. We're gonna see if that's correct. It's just that simple. So let's go ahead and get into the charts and numbers, you guys. But that's pretty much it far as data. That's what you need to know, you guys. This is what you need to know, seriously. And this is what's gonna be moving the market going further here. So let's go ahead and check out the charts and numbers. See what we did today. Okay, starting with the SPY here. Woo! Oh my god. It's just lovely, man. We're just rolling in dough. Like this is what I mean by it's just 100%. Um, it's just 100%, man. It really is. It's just like accurate. The drawing is drew before the algorithm, so we're drawing things, you know, before they happen on site here. No, you know, no looking into it. Just understanding and just really knowing the economy really, you know, when you're at the property line, let's say that. But 443.17 on the SPY, you guys. You get it? All right. So John 100% correct. You know, check out the last video. I can't really. We're moving forward now, so I'm gonna move forward. I'm gonna erase this drawing, but you see the downside target hit, and then right here at it, right at it. And so let's go ahead and erase the drawing and let you know what can happen tomorrow. Okay, now going into tomorrow, you guys, on the SPY, 443.17, right? I'm saying major gap fill. Like, what's going on here? You can't just do that to people. So, what I'm seeing is here, you know, this FOMC can really get volatile to the point where it can really just feel that to the upside. So this is the area I'm looking out for right here. It's 448.94. I think, you know, you get here. If you get here again, this can really strive the market to really get back to 450, and that's the target still. So don't get it twisted. Going long, going further, obviously 460 still is in play, you guys. Don't forget about that. But you just need to push that date back. That's all that is. Longer time, you know. Just be thinking too. I'll say a year or 2 with that, you know, 460 at this point, because just looking at how things are panning out, you just know that that's still a key zone, but it's too probably far out the money at this point. So we're just focused on down here, what can really happen, like by the end of the week, and that's this zone here. And you know, if we're playing baseball, that's a home run. Because we're right here at the bottom, you guys. It's right. It's really a support right now in the spot. So, uh, you know, but if this is not support, and then it's going to be looking like the Bulls are changing their minds and their portfolios, and then you're going to see more selling pressure easily. And then what you think this is, what people think this is, all this right here, this ain't even nothing. Like, these are not even premiums yet. Like, they're going to take it down all the way below 440 to about 438 here on the spot, you know? So just be on the lookout for that to happen, you know, if things are just continuing to look like this. So how they been. So at the end of the day, we're going to go over it, you know, far as the 1 day perspective, like we always do. Just give you a little imagery there, though, so you understand. And right here, upside levels tomorrow, you guys. Seriously though, spot just got to get back to 444. Like, okay, like what's going on with all of that now? That was a lot of selling bears. Congratulations, but remember, look at the numbers here. We're still in a bull market. It's still high, so upside levels, you know, bulls just want to recapture that 444 level. Once they get there, you see a break above that. The next level to look out for is 445.20. And I think that really gives them momentum to really go ahead and still try to fill this gap here, right here at 448.50. So that could be with the Fed minutes, though. You know what I'm saying? It's going to get really volatile depending on where it is. So these are the levels you should be looking out for going into tomorrow, you guys, on the other side, on the spot. Going further here, too, next week, whenever, you know. This data may be burst off. You just never know. So it might already be priced in. But so we're going to be seeing, though. But these are the key levels that you need to be looking out in the spot for first and foremost. Now to the downside now. Whew. They hit that target now, 442 now, right? Oh, we done broke. They done cracked. You done show straight fear here. Fear is all there now. Bears are complete. The momentum is just getting more intense. Like everybody's eating popcorn. Like, okay, now, you know, some people are done with their popcorn. You know what I'm saying? It's about empty, and they like, oh, what's going on now? Seriously, it's getting intense. So, 442.30 here. Does it hold tomorrow, you guys? To the downside, I'm going to expect the spot to go ahead and flush about 440. Yeah, to the downside. And you'll really just be having another lower low pattern. And it is like the downgrade is continuing to happen. So that's what's going on. So just be on the lookout for it going either way going into tomorrow. Triple Qs. Triple Qs, you guys. So, oh man, looks like that drawing is correct. So yeah, definitely it is correct to the downside right there. That target 366. Of course, support is going to step in, right? Huh? Right? Okay. So we're going to rest the drawings. Hit the like and subscribe button. That is 100% correct though. Put his one today on that. But 366, 86, and that was the close. So to the upside tomorrow. Looks like another gap fill here too. Like same with the Spies, Triple Q's got the same action going on here. And this gap fill is a little different because you got a lot of technology names like, you know, artificial intelligence names, NVIDIA, you know what I'm saying? They just went up $52 in a day. So, I mean, you got to understand this gap fill is a different vibe over here, you know. So just understand, you know, this does go back up this time, you guys. I don't think, you know, I think the direction will start to get confirmed, you know. Before, you know, more consolidation. Tension is breaking, obviously, so it's coming. But is it definitely a gap fill here? So you question that and just know that's a target now, obviously, that they're going to definitely try to recapture because it's like, wait, that's not fair. You know, it's too much selling there. It's oversold. So they'll buy back up and give them some bread. And it's just how it works. But at the end of the day, it can, you know, can keep this momentum this way here because it definitely has it now. And all it has to do is make another lower low and break away from this area because this is where it has been getting caught at. So now once it breaks below this area, then now you just have another lower low pattern going in. The downgrade is really serious, and you should really start taking that into consideration going into the seasons changes and all of that. So just be on the lookout for it. You know, it can go either way. But from the 1 day perspective here on the triple Qs here, like I said, upside levels first and foremost. Where's the charts? Let's see here. So upside levels. Triple Qs just got to get to 367.50. They get back here. Now, okay, bottom is definitely in. Now they're happy again, and everybody's like, whew, at least a little like relief of like a whoop. You get what I'm saying? So they're gonna be off the ground. And then now at this point, they just need to push above 367.90. They get above that, you guys. Now you got to start thinking that gap fill is in play now. So that's just the vibe right now on the triple Qs. So be on the lookout for that on the upside. Now to the downside, it can go either way here. So to the downside here, what's that level that just so-called 365.75 is a so-called support right now. But you question it because it's like, let's zoom in and out, zoom out, right? Year to date. This thing got a lot more selling to do. So we're gonna look at it from the 1 day though. But it's just like, okay, question it, like I said. So to the downside here, like I said, you see 366 not holding, you guys. The next level I'm looking out for is that retest right there at 365.75. If it don't hold this time, I'm expecting the triple Qs to come on down about 364.20 here to the downside. And then, you know, if that don't hold, the next level is 360, 350. And it'll just continue that lower low pattern that's going on right now in the vibe in the market. DIA. DIA. So the Dow Jones, you guys, really hit the downside targets. LCAOD expected. 100% right again, below 350. Puts it's up, man. Just look, check the contracts right now. They're all 100% up. Every contract is 100% up. So just imagine that if you brought, you know, multiply if you whatever you brought. So congratulations, man. You know, free game, you know, free game. But DIA Dow Jones, man, right here did hit the downside targets. Remember the drawings though. Hit the like, subscribe button, check out the last video. Another gap fill here looks like going on situation here. So looks like this gap fill. If you notice, it's been like this. It looks like this happening in the overall market, huh? So notice that. You know, take these signs, take it with a grain of salt. And you know, 349.78 here. That's where they closed. Know that. So if they close there, upside levels I'm looking out for tomorrow on the down. They just need to recapture 350, 60 here. Once they get there, if they do get there, you know, you should see momentum start to push back to 352 here. And then I think, you know, now you got to start thinking about the gap fill becoming in play, and they even pushing to 355, you know, depending on how volatile it's about to get here and if everything's good far as data and earnings the rest of the week. So I'm looking at all that, and you know, that's just what it is to the upside. Now to the downside, because it can go either way. Bears got a lot of momentum. Like their momentum is probably up 80% right now. You know, the Bulls are only probably about 20% of momentum right now. Even though, you know, it's still the bull market now. The Bulls might have some of this lead. Don't get it wrong now. We all know. We all know. We all know. So, but you know, it's just not looking good right now. So to the downside on the DIA, I'm expecting if this 349 doesn't hold right here, the next low level I'm looking out for is 347.50 here. to the downside. And I think this probably actually has been way overdue for the pullback here, and it's just coming on down. Meeting ends with you know this here, you get what I'm saying, and then maybe even they may even get that up. So, but yeah, the DIA is a little bigger than everything else. The Dow Jones is, so be on the lookout for it. Going either way, going into tomorrow and going further. IWM. John's correct. The IWM, you guys. John is correct. Downside targets hit 188.14. Yes, sir. Everybody's up 100%. This is wonderful. This is a wonderful year. So 188, 33 cents, you guys close on the IWM. And at the end of the day, upside levels tomorrow because you gotta look out for this going either way because it can. And with the data and the earnings, you just don't know. So that's what we're waiting on. That's what everybody's trying to see. And once we know that, everyone makes their move. That's how it works. But pretty much, upside levels tomorrow. IWM, you guys. Sensing another gap fill action here, right? We're just calling it out because we know the gap fill is just targets now. They can just recapture that, like, what? That was, sorry, we didn't mean to do that. And then they just go up. Seen it before. So upside levels tomorrow, you guys. Just looking for a break above 189.20 here. You get above that. It looks like they can get momentum to push back to 190. And then you might see consolidation before this gap fill here. I think that'll be the target by the end of the week for the IWM. But 190 can be recaptured here by tomorrow going into next week or end of the week. To the downside though, if not, you may see both, but if not, you may see just straight downside. So to the downside, you gotta be looking out for both. Just looking for a break below 188 here. That doesn't hold, you guys. It's looking like 186.50 here to the downside on the IWM. And, I think this was, like I said, long overweighted too as well. Another one that people probably been waiting for here for a while. Just trying to bring it down here. So right there, you're about to that line right there, just trying to bring it down there. That's where the IWM could be coming down from, and then, just filling in the top here, just confirming the top, head is in here for sure. That's your top right there. There's nothing higher than that. So it's been selling here, strong selling, and, this looks like it can fill in the 187 here. So that's the levels I'm looking out for on the IWM. We can go either way going into tomorrow. VIX, volatility, speed of the market, that's the direction of the market. The VIX, the volatility, the speed, the direction of the market, the speed of the market, the VIX, the volatility. That's what this is, you guys. When the VIX is up, the market is down. When the VIX is down, the market is up. Today, you guys, the VIX, the target is 100%. It hit to the upside. It's a big green candle right there. You see the white arrow. We drew this the night before. The green candle is what happened today. That is 100%. So, wow. That's a lot of volatility. And it doesn't look like the gap fill is worried about right now. So it really just looks like the market is going to go down now. It is looking very scary. It really looks like the top is in here because you have a bottom on the VIX now that's confirmed in. This is your bottom now on the VIX. So I'm gonna rest the drawings, but check out the last video. You'll see that was already drew before. So hit the like, subscribe button. But yeah, bottom's in. Gap fill doesn't look like it's worried about. You put a question mark here. Maybe it is still they're tricking us. We don't know. But at the end of the day, we do know the VIX is up here and the market is down now. That's what you're seeing. So it's a lot of people saying, you know, if the VIX continue to go up like this, I think, you know, the level of really knowing that, okay, the market can really flip back to a possible bear market, that people, you know, because that could possibly happen. You know, we've seen that happen before. We've seen, you know, we go to a bull to a bear market. So just in a prepared way, you just never know. The numbers would say, you know, a different level for sure. But you know, you would just see a lot of selling, you know. But the number on the VIX, you know, you definitely the key number on the VIX to say that, you know, okay, it's a bear market, it's confirmed, is this 20 to 25 zone. So just depending on where we're going, you know, if the VIX catch $20 to 25, just know, you know, the numbers are definitely going to change. Like it's going to be completely lower. So that's that is like your bear market zone. It depending on how the market makers place it. But you know, that's only $4 away. So that's what I'm saying. Now it's really starting to put your thinking caps on here, you guys. It's getting very volatile here, very fast. Fear is kicking in and bringing the market down. That's a big, really green candle there on the VIX, and you know, like I said, that's what brought the market down today, big. And I don't know, you know, stocks, you know, they're going down too with it. So I know Nvidia just had a rally, you know, but hey, Nvidia is in the league of its own. You know, they could really come down a lot again, or they could just go up again. So it's like it don't matter. They don't care. Like they're just gonna do what they're gonna do. But you know, the VIX though, going into tomorrow, you guys, the jar was correct. So going into tomorrow, to the upside levels on the VIX. I'm just looking forward to see if the VIX is going to gap fill right here at $18.15 now. That's the next level there, you guys. That's it. You know, the VIX do that, the market is coming down this week, you guys. And something with that, probably with the FOMC minutes, it may be something changed or something, or it may not even be that. It just may just be the market just because all these downgrades and it just wants to do that. You just never know. But if you catch the VIX up this much, yeah, more lows coming soon. But you know, if not to the downside on the VIX, because obviously we're still right here, this zone right here. I would say this zone, this all this right here is defend. This is why we're in a bull market right now. This zone right here. So from this zone down, you know, this is why we're in a bull market. So to the downside, you know, tomorrow I'm looking for the VIX to, you know, come back down here to about $15. Um, possibly $14.63 if that $15 flush. So that's the level I'm looking out for the, you know, going into tomorrow on the VIX, you know, because I think if the VIX come back right there, it really just acts like that was nothing. This candle was nothing, and it really just feels this and gets back closer to the gap fill. So be on the lookout for it if it's going either way, going further. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. So Caterpillar, you guys. Let me see. I was trying to find a drawing. Oh, there you go. It's on the one day. So Caterpillar, yeah. Levels hit 280 to the downside. Below it, yep. Checking it here just now, 277.15. So wow, that really hit too. Everything hit today. All the puts hit. Okay. So sorry, you guys. I'm just checking it just now live here on the recap with you guys as well. But congratulations, you guys didn't even realize that. But yeah, Caterpillar hit, you guys. That's what's up right there. So it's still looking like, you know, they can go long still too. They can still go if they wanted to, but I don't know. They're gonna act with the market. But Caterpillar going into tomorrow, you guys. Looks like they closed right here at 277, below 280 now. So they to the upside. They just got to get back to 279.10. You know, they can get back there. They'll give them some momentum a little bit, and you know, they may get a push to 280, and then you know just top out and just be chilling right there. You know, consolidating at 280. So that's what I'm looking out for going into tomorrow. Now to the downside here, if not, if it looks like this 276.89 is not holding, oh, Caterpillar is coming down here. I said about 273 here, 273 to the downside on Caterpillar. So be on the lookout for this going either way here, going further, going into tomorrow, next week. Amazon. So Amazon hit that downside target, correct, 100%. You see it did it. What I drew looks just like it. Boom, boom. I'm gonna erase the drawings. Hit the like and subscribe button. That's 100% though. Amazon 137.71, and that's where they close. So upside levels tomorrow. Amazon though. I really like to support it because you got to really remember the earnings breakout now. It's here. So if you're not trying to get Amazon at 128, anything right here is up here is support, buddy. We can still double top. We can still double top at any moment. So the Amazon is looking lovely for a buy right now. So to the upside levels tomorrow, looking out for here, 138.70. That'll give them some momentum. If 138.70 over the next level I'm looking out for is 139.50 here to the upside, and then you know, I think data, you know, we'll let it know if it's going to 140. That's what they're trying to say, 140.50. Get back to that 140 level there. That's the target on Amazon this week to the upside. Now to the downside, 137.22 don't hold. The next low level I'm looking out for is 136.30. If that don't hold, the next low level is 135 here to the downside on Amazon. So it can go either way still here with them, and just know that going further here. AMD. Ooh, hit the targets, didn't it? Right at it. I figured they wouldn't go back to 105. So that was correct, 100% there. So found support here, obviously at 110. Bounce, stayed in the channel at 111. So, you know, they're following suit with NVIDIA. They're going to do what NVIDIA is going to do. So we get it. We all get it. So 111 and 17 on AMD. And, you know, at the end of the day, to the upside going into tomorrow. Looks like they want to get above 112 here. If that holds, the next level is 113 here, and then you know, they're just that's a breaking out point here. They're gonna either do it or you know they're not there. So be on the lookout for that. They're going further, going into tomorrow, going after that to next week. Now to the downside here on AMD. You know, because it can go either way. So looking for 110.19. If that don't hold, the next low level is 109.50 to the downside. And then, you know, if that don't hold, I see a retest right back to that 108 level. And it'll probably sit there and consolidate. But that's pretty much it, you guys. And that's pretty much it, man. That's what we're looking at this week, far as free plays, free game. And follow along, man. Follow along. But we're gonna be back tomorrow with another recap, you guys. And you know, tap in. We're gonna see what the data's talking about and go from there. Earnings in the morning. Remember Target? It was earnings today. C limited. Look, let me show you guys what C limited chart looks like. Look at all that selling. They went from 60 to 40. So big win on puts today. On C limited, you guys, big win, you guys. Congratulations again. C limited, they really played out. So Home Depot earnings too. Look, they went here, but it went from 327 to 338, but um, just not likely to everybody's speed. Chart looks ugly here, but they're gonna correct it. They have to, either to the up or downside. So just be on the look for this to break. If it breaks below 330, it's probably timber for it. If it pops above 334, it's probably going to 340. So that's what I expect for Home Depot going further. Just be on the lookout for that, y'all. But that's pretty much it, though, man. We're gonna see about the other earnings, though. Like I said, Target in the morning. All eyes on Target, you guys. Is people sending their kids back to go school shopping? Huh? Is people in the stores school shopping for the kids, or is Target just not it right now? It's Target just not retail is just too high. Nobody's gonna do that, and everybody's shopping elsewhere. People have figured it out. You feel me? It might be. We about to find out. We about to find out in the morning. So we gonna see, man. We gonna see. But that's pretty much it, man. Stock futures are a little changed as Wall Street looks beyond a losing session. And you see it here, flat green. Apple reverses course, moves iPhone in call button back to middle in latest beta. Cool for them. Yep. But so that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it, like I said. And this is closed bears, you guys. So we're gonna see what happens tomorrow with the data. We'll be back tomorrow with another recap, you guys. This was the recap with LCAOD. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.